Hello friends, welcome back to DigiTalk. In this video, I am going to explain you how we can do a free sign up for the Amazon AWS Cloud account. Okay, so as you know that the industry is shifting towards the cloud computing, and if you are keen to learn about the cloud computing, and specifically when you are working in an IT, even in a non-IT environment where the clients are using the different technologies, okay, so the market as of today is moving towards the cloud due to a lot of benefits. And for that one, I am going to post a separate video on cloud computing. What is cloud computing? What are the benefits of cloud computing? What are the different deployment models of the cloud computing? Okay, but in this video, I'm going to explain you how you can create a free account with the Amazon AWS Cloud. Okay, and they provide you a lot of free resources. That means you can do a lot of uh, uh, demo on your own. Okay, and that is completely free. You don't need to pay anything for that one. For example, you can create a virtual machine, okay, and then you can uh, access that virtual machine from your local account or maybe from anywhere from the internet, and then you can do your own testings. Okay, similarly, there are a lot of different services are available in the cloud that you can do or that you can access and use as a free. Okay, so similar to AWS, there are a free account for Google Cloud as well as for some other leading cloud service providers as well. Okay, and but in this video, I will tell you specifically about the Amazon AWS, and in subsequent videos, I am going to show you for other cloud service providers as well. Okay, so first thing is that is very simple. You can go to your Google and then you can search for uh, the some strings like sign up for Amazon AWS account or free sign up for Amazon AWS account. Okay, or you may go to directly to aws.amazon.com. Okay, and you will end up with this page. Okay, and in this page you have to click on the complete sign up. Okay, so once you will click on the complete sign up, then you will get two options for user. One is the root user and the second is the IAM user. Okay, so because you are going to create a root user for your cloud account, okay, then select the root user, and then after that you have to enter the root user email ID. Okay, so here you can specify your email ID and then you can click on next. Okay, so now this is the sign up for AWS account. Okay, that means you have to specify your email ID. Okay, it will automatically auto-populate it, which you have entered in the previous screen, and then you have to specify a name for your cloud account. Okay, this will be displayed over your cloud account on the Amazon portal. Okay, and then you have to verify your email address. Then click on your verify email address, and you will get a verification code or your email ID, and then you have to enter that verification code here, and then click on verify. It will take some time, and after some time, it will validate your email address. Okay, and then it will ask you for to create a root user password. Okay, then enter your password. So this will be your main root user password that you will use to log into your Amazon account portal. Okay, so whenever you will go to use their cloud services. For that, you will every time you have to log into your Amazon AWS console, and for that you will use this password and the user as a root which we have given or provided in the previous screen. Okay, and after that you have to provide your account details. Okay, but before that one, there would be a verification of your address and then verification of your mobile number. So address verification would you can say it is a kind of an optional service. They are no one going to validate your address whatever that you are providing here, but you have to provide a valid phone number here because you will get an OTP on your mobile number for the validation. So provide your full name here and then select the kind of account that you are going to create, either you for business or for your organization, or it is the personal for your personal use. Okay, so select the personal and then enter your full name and then enter your mobile name, select the region or the country which you belong, provide the address and then postal code, and then click on the continue. Okay, and then on next screen, you have to provide your valid debit card or credit card details. Okay, and this is just for the validation purpose. Okay, and as you can see on the left side that what is written there is that we will not charge you for users below AWS free tier limits. That means whatever the services those are eligible for free account, okay, they will not charge you for that. Okay, that means, and we may temporarily hold up to $1 USD for an equivalent amount in local currency as per pending transaction for 3 to 5 days to verify your identity. So they will only deduct $1 or when we talk about an Indian currency, it would be certain around 80 rupees or 85 rupees. But it's it depend on, like, sometimes they deduct only 1 rupees, sometimes 2 rupees, or that means they will deduct a very less amount just for the validation purpose. Okay. And if you have a PAN number, then you can select yes, otherwise you can select no, and then click on verify and continue. Right. And in the next, you have to validate your mobile number. Okay. And for that, you have to enter your mobile number, and then you will get a verification code on your mobile number. Enter the validation code for a mobile number, and then click continue. Okay. So in the previous screen, what we have saw that you have to provide a valid email address. You have to provide a valid phone number, because you will get an OTP on the mobile number as well as on the email as well. Okay. And in this screen, you will see the three different options. That means this is the subscription package of your cloud account. Okay. So we are now creating a free account. For that, you have to select the first one, which is a basic support free. Okay. And but if you are a developer and then you wanted to have some more services for your development environment, for that you can select the developer support, for which is on the price of 29 rupees per month. And then if you wanted it for business support, then you will get it on 100 rupees, $100 per month. Okay. And then you will have some extended support and services on each and every subscription. But we are creating a free account, so you have to select the basic support free account. Okay. And now your Amazon account is created successfully, and then you will see an option to go to the AWS management console. Click on that one, and then you will get a main screen of AWS. And then after that, you can click on sign into the console. That means you are going to sign into the Amazon AWS console. Okay. And after that, you will get a screen for a username and password. So enter your email ID that you have given during the sign up and the password that you have provided that time. Okay. And then click on the sign in. So this is the very first screen that you will see once you will log into the Amazon AWS console. Okay, so here you can see that on the first screen it is showing that recently visited, no recently visited site. Okay, so as you know that there are a lot of services in the Amazon. Okay, like you can create your compute machines, you can create the database, and then you can create a different other kind of services. Okay, storage, volumes. So if you are using certain services frequently, then on this first screen you will see all the frequently used or the recently used services listed here. Okay. And next, you can just click on the action item, which is on the top left corner. Okay, which is also called a service item as well. Once you will click on services, then it will list you the all of the services that is available on the Amazon AWS cloud. Okay, this is a small screenshot of the services, but there are multiple services are there. You can scroll down and then you can select the different kind of services that you wanted to use. Okay, and I'm showing you the example of, if suppose if you wanted to create a compute or a virtual machine, then for that you have to click on the EC2. Okay, Elastic Cloud. This is a virtual server in the cloud. That means with the help of EC2, you can create a virtual machine in the Amazon AWS cloud. So once you will click on EC2, then you will see your EC2 dashboard. Okay, and what you will see in the EC2 dashboard is complete information about your instances. Okay, so you can currently see that the instances running is showing 0 because I haven't created any virtual machine. Okay, and then you will see option of key pairs. So this key pairs is used to log into your Amazon cloud machines. Okay, so once you will create a Amazon virtual machine, along with that you will create a key pair and you will log into your machine with the help of key pairs. Okay. Similarly, you have a different options other like load balancer. If you wanted to use a load balancer for your applications, which is going to be deployed on your virtual machines, then you create your load balancer. As of now, it is 0 because I haven't created any load balancer. Volume is 0 because I haven't created any volume. And apart from that, it will show you the default VPC. Okay, so VPC is a concept which is, you can say, it is a firewall kind of a mechanism for your cloud data center or specific to a client. Okay, and very soon I'm going to post a video on VPC as well. So this is all about the Amazon sign up, how you can do the sign up for Amazon AWS account. Okay, and stay tuned with me. I'm going to post few more videos about the cloud computing, how to create virtual machines, how to create database, how to access the virtual machines from your local system, how you can copy the content or softwares from your local machine to cloud or from cloud to your local machines. Okay, and then stay tuned for a few more videos. Thanks for watching this video.